Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make little baby shoes today. First make 2 pair of sole for the shoes and keep them aside. Now take 1 pair and we're going to combine them together, and here we are going to make the upper part of the shoes like this. We're also going to make beautiful design at the center using white yarn and then make the top body as well. And look, your beautiful shoes are ready. Make a bow design and look how pretty these are looking. We're going to make beautiful shoes for little baby. Here we are going to use crochet needle and pink color of thread. Now increase and decrease the size like this, and look, remove the needle, put the yarn on your index finger, and then you have to pull the thread like this throughout all the loops. Now look, you have to tie a knot at the center and you will get this beautiful design, and look, it's done. Here we are going to make this beautiful design on the top of these little shoes. We are going to do it using crochet needle and white thread. So make a white circle like we are doing here and hold the thread like this. Now we are going to put the needle inside the pink yarn like this, and look, your white circle is ready. Similar way you can complete the whole design like this. We are going to make this beautiful design on this little baby shoes. Here we are going to use this white color of yarn and crochet needle as well. Now we are going to increase and decrease the size, and we are making this beautiful boundary on the sole of the shoes like this. Look, you have to complete the design on the entire sole and it is looking very pretty. Look at these beautiful baby shoes. So we are going to make this bow design and it will look more beautiful this way. First tie a knot like this. Now hold it on your both ends and make 2 loops. Tie a knot again, and look, your beautiful bow designs are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.